Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds Sony from your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. Now click the settings icon near to your earbuds at the device list. And right here at the right side we have a button what called disconnect, and you need to tap on it. But before I tap on it, I'll tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So when you select to disconnect your earbuds, it will stop Bluetooth connection with your phone, but leave it at the device list. And if you select to unpair your earbuds will totally removed from the phone. Now let me click at the disconnect, and now as you can see we just stop Bluetooth connection. It's not connected with the earbuds. The earbuds not connected with the phone, but we saved it at the device list, and if I tap on it I can reconnect my earbuds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.